Good evening, everybody. I hope everybody, don't mind my view, enjoyed Thanksgiving. I was so exhausted by the end of the day. It was such an awesome day. As you guys are hearing B.W., he's outside. Mm. Made myself a little piece of salmon. Just got a little bite of that. And I stopped at a grocery store to pick up from the salad bar. I wanted a little bit of a break from cooking, so making salmon, no issue. Got a little dressing out of that. Finishing up that bottle of ranch, no issue. Yeah, I will say it was so fun. Saw a few of my little cousins that I haven't seen in quite a few months because they live far. Played ball with them outside between catch and soccer. So fun. And my one older cousin, who I have not seen in a while, and my uncle all decided to tell some jokes. It had this. And just a heads up, he's fine. I know it's cold out. He can be outside for a few minutes, up to 10 with how cold it could be. Besides the regular salad, I got some egg in here, and I decided to try that pasta of theirs and this one. This one's a seafood one. This one's an Italian one. Figure a little something different. We can hear you. I will let you in very soon. I know you saw mommy cooking. As soon as you saw me pulling the salmon and everything out. Why am I getting some? And he gets his own portion. Can't help but spoil him. That's olive oil. I see seeds on here. Um, Italian style lettuce and feta cheese with olives mixed in this. Simple and yet good. And yes, I will let him in very soon. Besides his time frame, if I were to try to let him in now while I'm eating, if he has his puppy zoomies, he can possibly knock over this area. Plus, he knows he has to go potty outside. Hold on a second, B.W. Got there 5 minutes. I have my time on. Well, thank you guys for watching me enjoy a bit. I know I am going to finish this. I'm going to get him in since he's been whiny. No issue, dog mom. Gonna hand him his salmon and then gonna finish our food. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you.